This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kenneth, Chiplanders. Desirable 2+den Villa West/2 car garage. HOA takes care of all maintenance including exterior paint and AMP, roof. Newer air conditioner and AMP appliances. Accordion hurricane shutters. Enclosed/screen porch for year-round use. Central vac, plantation shutters. Tile everywhere except bedrooms. Corner lot across street from community pool/common area. For more information, review the details below.